Hello and good afternoon po sa ating lahat. This is Daryl Berzosa. My stage name is Daryl Jackson and we are doing busking oricos for Amber Chur. And Amber Chur is a woman and she's pregnant but sa mga palad yan, there's a tragic that happened when yung bahay nila is nasunog sa San Carlos Heights and nasunog po ang kanyang katawan, 60% of her body. And nadamay po ang kanyang anak na 7 months old sa kanyang pagbubuntis. Kaya any donations will do. Lahat po kami na buskers, actually at this moment, we joined forces for this day para kay Amber Chur. So any naman na matapatan ninyo na performer or buskers, lalo na included na po si Tito Noel dyan, lahat po ng donations is going straight to Amber Chur po. Ayan. Right, so again, short trivia. My name is Daryl Jackson, and I'm with my backup dancers, the 2600 Moonwalkers. I've been doing Michael Jackson impersonation as a tribute artist for 15 years, ever since 2009. And for our first performance for this afternoon, it's called Dangerous, from the album Dangerous itself.